Chapter 27. Structure. Structure is the organization of a text or how the pieces fit together. Some common structures in nonfiction are: compare and contrast structure. Analyzes what is similar about two or more things and also what is different. Chronological structure. Organizes events by when they happened. Process structure. Explains the series of actions and how they happen. Cause and effect structure. Describes an action or event and its consequences. Problem and solution structure. Explains a problem and offers a solution. Description structure. Gives an account of something by offering the right.
Birthday celebrated.
Example: a good argument, you need all the parts, the claim and the evidence and reasoning to support it. Often the genre dictates the order of the structure. Example: this article appeared in the Afro-American Ledger on January 11, 1908.
Birthday celebrated. Was 75 years young. Unionville, MD, January 11, the anniversary dinner of Mrs. Nanny Gibson, was held December 26, at the residence of her son Mr. J. T. Coffer. Those present were Rev. and Mrs. Dennis, Mr. and Mrs. Henry Green, Mr. and Mrs. Stephen Bolden. All enjoyed the affair, but none more so than the young lady herself, who was 75 years old that day.
A news article has a strict structure. Similarly, chronologically structured pieces follow a timeline. An argumentative essay, however, can shift in time if it serves the argument.